activity is, first step is preparation of soil. In preparation of soil, two major parts are there. First, plowing and leveling. Plowing can also be termed as tilling. Now, what is plowing? Plowing is the process of loosening and turning of soil. The process of loosening means हम lose करते हैं soil को and then turn it. Turning of soil is called plowing. Plowing can be done with the help of three implements. In earlier times, it was done with the help of plow, wooden plow, or hoe and cultivator. The modern form of implement for plowing the crops is cultivator. Now, what is advantage of plowing? What is the advantage behind plowing? The advantage behind plowing is it makes the soil airy, because this is the process of loosening of soil. So it makes the soil airy so that roots can breathe easily. Now the second process is leveling. Now after plowing, leveling is done. What is leveling? Leveling is used to break big lumps of soil. Big lumps of soil is present in the dry soil, so we have to break them so that soil becomes smooth. So leveling is done. Leveling is done with the help of a wooden leveler. It is used to break big lumps of soil and level it. We have to level the field to prevent from erosion, because after plowing the soil become loose. If we do not level it, the loose soil can easily washed away. So in order to prevent soil erosion, we have to level the soil. So what are the advantages behind leveling? First advantage is it makes the sowing of seeds easy, because now the soil is level, now the soil is loose. We can easily sow the seeds in field. Second, it makes uniform water irrigation, because now the soil is loose, the field is even, therefore there will be uniform distribution of water during irrigation. So in this way, by plowing, we prepare our soil so that we can sow the seeds, because after preparation of soil, the next activity is sowing the seeds. Now after plowing and leveling, next comes sowing of seeds. Means seeds are now scattered in the field. After plowing and leveling, field is now ready to sow the seeds. Sowing of seeds. After plowing and leveling, field is ready to sow the seeds. Now field हमारी बिल्कुल तैयार है कि उसके अंदर हम seeds को sow करते हैं. Now there are two methods of sowing seeds. First, broadcasting and by using seed drill. Broadcasting is primitive method because there was absence of mechanical tools, so it was manual method. What is broadcasting? Broadcasting means sowing of seeds by hand, by scattering them. Means by hand sowing of seeds, it is called broadcasting. Mainly the seeds of wheat and maize are sown with the help of broadcasting. Sown by broadcasting means in the case of wheat and maize, जो seeds हैं उन्हें हमें broadcasting method से spread करना पड़ता है. But this method has certain disadvantages too. What is disadvantage? Because if you are spreading the seeds by the hand, you cannot make them at equal depth, sow at equal depth or sow at equal distance. So what is basic disadvantage behind it? That seeds are not sown at equal depth and equal distance. Now the second method is by using seed drill. Seed drill is a mechanical tool. It is a simple traditional tool. ठीक है? In this seeds are sown at equal depth. इसमें जो इसकी disadvantage थी उसको overcome कर दिया है. In this, by using seed drill, seeds are now sown at equal depth and equal distance.